Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Today what I'm going to show you is one of my favorite recipes, so let's get started. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is this awesome recipe of buffalo chicken strips. They're really good, quick and easy, so let's get started. So I have my oven on 350. In this bowl I have hot sauce. You can use whatever kind of hot sauce you choose. And in this bowl I used breadcrumbs, the Italian breadcrumbs. I put about half a cup of Italian breadcrumbs in there. And then I also added in some Parmesan and Romano cheese, probably about 1/4 of a cup. And then I sprinkled in some Italian herbs. I mixed it all up. So I have my chicken tenderloin. I'll place it in the hot sauce. So I have my chicken tenderloin in the hot sauce. Make sure it's coated good. Then I'll place it in the breadcrumbs. Making sure it's coated good with the breadcrumbs. Shake it off a little bit. I'll place it on my baking dish. And continue on with the rest. So into the hot sauce, the breadcrumbs, if you need more breadcrumbs, just add more breadcrumbs. I have about 7 chicken tenderloins. So I'll shake it off, place it on my baking dish, and just continue on. And you'll bake these in your 350-degree oven until they're nice and golden brown. You want to make sure they're fully cooked. So while that's in a breadcrumb, I'll let this one soak in there. Shake it off. Got the last 2 in there. These buffalo chicken strips are so good. Quick and easy too. And they're baked, not fried. That was just enough breadcrumbs in the Romano cheese. Perfect. Last one. Shake it off. Now I'll put this in my 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes or until they're nice and golden brown. You want to make sure that your chicken is fully cooked, so into the oven it goes. My buffalo strips are ready to come out of the oven. Now doesn't that look good? So now I'm placing them on my plate. Oh, that one's nice and tender, it broke in half. They smell good. They look really, really good. So I placed the buffalo chicken strips on my plate. Don't they look good? So now I'll place one on my plate. Oh yeah. Let's put this off to the side. I'll salt and pepper. I'll place some ranch dressing for the dipping sauce. So now that I salt and peppered and put a little ranch dressing, I'll try a bite. Looks good. Really, really good. So there's a second bite. Look at how good that looks. It's really good with this ranch dressing. Super, super good. I can really taste that hot sauce. Enjoy. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking, and watch me make my buffalo chicken strips. They're super yummy. Give them a try. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.